Hi guys, this is MK Locksmith. So today I'm going to show you how to clone the BMW new key. This is the new one, the new types. So I'm going to show how to clone to the Autel, okay, using Autel 506 and the adapter with everything. So I already fixed the key here, okay. After we fix key, you have to fix this one, and then we can go to the device, to the BM. And smart selection, Immobilizer, BCP. This is the latest one. Apparat. Sorry, head key. Yes, okay. Okay. Alright. So I have to give the VIN, and it's 433. It's okay. And you can choose the OEM key or Autel key. So I'm going to choose the Autel key because I have the one Autel key only, I know. So let's select it. This function key only generate the Autel key. So say okay and put the Autel keys here and press okay. So it's generating dealer key now. That's success. So if you want more, yes, otherwise no. Yes, okay. And now we can try the new key. Have to open the door, close and check. We can check the key. Okay, everything's fine. Thank you guys. And we can start car. Okay, so everything is fine, is working. Thank you.